to build a maze that will carry your marble from the start position to the target. Towers can stand on their own, be stacked, or even laid on their side to create a maze, and each tower color has a unique arrangement of ramps and ridges which affect the direction the marble will go, so your maze may not have as clear a path as you think. Here's a quick rundown of how to play. To begin, choose a challenge card which shows you where to place your starting towers. These black dots on the tower pieces should match the black dots on the card, showing you exactly how the piece should be placed on the grid for this challenge. Once you're set up, you can collect the towers you'll use to build your maze, which are indicated here under Add to Grid. You can set aside any leftovers. You won't need all the towers for every challenge. Now you can experiment with building a path for your marble. When you're ready, give it a try by dropping your marble at the starting position, which is indicated on your challenge card with a white dot. If the marble doesn't reach the target, it's time to retrace your steps and figure out what went wrong. If the marble ends in the target tower, you win. Let's try a more advanced challenge. This one requires us to stack the towers. The outer color shown on your card is the tower that goes on the bottom. The inner color is the tower that goes on top. Make sure you still align the black dots as shown. If you see a long rectangle on this part of the card, it means you'll be using this tower on its side to solve the challenge. If you get stuck, you can always check the back of the card for the solution, although sometimes there's more than one way to solve a challenge. Once you've mastered the game, we encourage you to build your own challenges and be as creative with your maze as you can. Here's what you get with each game.
Independently. To solve the puzzle, you must turn each face to have only one color. Sounds familiar to Cube, though I am sure there must be something else. First, XMars has a learning mode for newbies. By rotating autonomously, it demonstrates how to solve the cube, and then helps you to correct your wrong moves with step-by-step guidance. For speed cubers, no more nagging friends into scrambling for you. XMars Cube has an auto-scrambling function. You don't need to record your solving speed on your own either. An automatic time recording function will do. What is more, it has a playback function that allows you to review what you have solved. There are more interesting functions. You can use it as a desk ornament and alarm. In self-solving mode, EXMars solves the puzzle while rolling around. Also, you can use it as an intelligent dice. By shaking the mobile phone, you can scramble the cube and voiceover to solve. Users can program the cube with Scratch software. You can use 2 cubes for playing clone mode. XMars Cube is a smart cube developed with state-of-the-art technologies. To have this Earth version, various scientific researches and technical validations have been poured into it. Many beta testers participated to improve the quality and performance of the cube.
When the battle's on, get ready and gear up with the Nerf Blaster Rack and Nerf Elite Battleware. Create your ultimate Nerf target challenge using the Flash Strike targets. Build your challenge anytime, anywhere. Master your blaster with the Flip Strike targets. Perfect your aim and precision to flip the targets across the field.
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, Remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey, Vector. Want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey, Vector. Go home. Alexa,
Turn the lights off.